quick one here. We've got a lot of failures. You've got a failed joint here, so another failed joint there, some depressions here, bit of a joint fail there, more depressions all around these lids, more failure over here, and a bit of cracking there. What I think's happened to this location is that you've got a lot of surfaces in the road. You've got various manhole covers, various access hatches, fire hydrants, probably sluice valves and things like that in there as well. And it looks like at some point people have been in there to open them up to get access. Another patch over here. It's quite a busy junction this. It's only on a B road, but it's in a city and carries a lot of traffic. And you've got a lot of turning traffic, and it's on a number of bus routes. So what I think's happened here is that the road's been opened up to access the surfaces at some point. In fact, I'm quite sure of that because I've seen it happen. And the reinstatement then, especially around this area, this reinstatement here, has subsided because of most likely inadequate compaction of the fill material as the road's been brought up back up to level as the trench has been reinstated. And that's just caused the road to depress around some of the covers in a completely haphazard kind of fashion. What I will say in favour of the people who've done the reinstatement is that they've used the like-for-like material, so it's hot rolled as the existing and they've put hot rolled in. But they've done such a poor job of reinstating this trench that it started to become full of undulations, which will then cause odd pressures in the asphalt as cars drive over it. They haven't sealed the joint properly, so what I'm presuming's happened here and here is that moisture's gotten in at the joint and then blown off the surfacing. So lots going on, and presumably just because of a poor utility reinstatement. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.